Hey y'all, well, I just got through doing my makeup, um, and I didn't finish off my mouth because I wanted to do a Chanel haul. I got y'all know that I do my Chanel lipstick, and I love it so much because it stays on. And some people have asked me during the COVID season and wearing a mask, why even bother wearing lipstick? My lipstick stays on. First of all, if you get the right kind of mask that pokes out a little bit, almost looks like a beak, instead of just a straight across mask in your face kind, um, it doesn't rub your lips. So anyway, there's lots of different kinds of masks. I think those are called KN95s. And I did a haul once where I showed y'all that I purchased them online, and they're great. And they also come with 3 masks and 3 gloves. So I just have the little pack I to keep in my purse. I'll show that to y'all another time. But anyway, because yeah, it is good to keep a packet of both gloves and mask in your purse at all times, because you'll never know when you forget or when you think, oh, I want to wear gloves if I'm going to the grocery store or something like that. Even though I know they've got the little thing at most grocery stores where you can wipe it down, I want gloves on if I'm going to touch that buggy. So anyway, this is a Chanel box. This is, again, it's a pretty box. So, I mean, I use this to put my planner stickers in when I'm done with it, or, to divide up some cosmetics and then, put them in the closet on my shelf if I've got excess. They've got their pretty little sticker that they do, the little seal. And they're just a class act. Matter of fact, when you open the outer box, it is their box, and when you open it up, it says it's all white on the inside. On the outside, it looks like a regular box, but on the inside, it's white and has the Chanel name on the back of that as well. So they're just a class act. They are. They're just a different opening experience. And then also, any samples that you get, which you always get them, come in these beautiful satin, or is that silver satin? Satin bags that say Chanel tone on tone. I don't know if you can see the actual Chanel name, but it's tone on tone. And I use these when I travel and want to take a big necklace, like a long necklace, or, a bracelet or something like that, because it's a pretty good size. I mean, like, you know what I just noticed? I put this bracelet on today, but I just noticed how well it matches. Look, I have to show y'all. I love when things match good. So there's the it's like this olivey gray color, and it's almost a direct match. Look at that. What are the odds? That's almost a direct match. I love it. Love it. Love it when I match. Okay. But do you see this kind of like bangly bracelet? You could put in these or large earrings or whatever. It's just good to have. Oh, I guess y'all want to see the samples that I got. I got Coco Noir. I've been wanting to try that one. Let's just try it right now, and I'll tell you if it's any good. Noir means night, so this is a night smell. Where's the little thing? Oh, there it is. Gosh, it's so black I couldn't even tell. Just do your little. Ooh, that's very strong. That is definitely a night. I don't know, I like it. It almost has a male smell. Male smell. Almost smells like men's cologne. It's just a strong women's. And I do have some of those that have a sharper, yeah, that's got more of the earthy tones in it. It doesn't say what the notes are, but you can go online. It's Coco Noir, and you can go online and look at the notes. I do like that a lot. I wonder if my husband's going to like that. But it does kind of smell like a man to me. Because all those sharper notes usually are for men. But also I got the Leblanc Base. It's a multi-use illuminating base, and I should have tried that today. Well, I didn't open this yet. Because I do like the Chanel, the Lumi lotion that I tried a couple days ago. And you put it on first, and sometimes it gives such a luminescence, especially in this time when you're mostly just at home and on camera for Zooms and stuff like that. Sometimes that's enough, and you don't really need a foundation base. So it'll be interesting to try this, and this is a base to put under your base because it shines through it and just kind of gives you a luminescent look. But we'll see. That could, like I said, it could also be what you get. So I'm sorry. I'm not even finishing sentences. I'm so excited about my new Chanels. So here they are. Where's their little names? Let's get them all facing you. I got 3. So here's the products. Okay. And I got 3. I got my usual soft rose. $1.48. So let's get that bad girl out of there. Love her. Good girl. She's my good girl. Why do I keep doing that? Oh, I love that. That is just me, y'all. Y'all, I feel like I need to raise up my, see how that's perfect skin tone color for me. And it is rosy. It's got a little bit of a brown undertones, but it's not rusty. And then I wanted to get a sure enough pink. Woo, that's pink all right. This is called Shocking Pink 59, and there's sometimes I just need a pink. And I thought that is a good pink. It's a cream. It's not shimmery at all. And then I also got Endless Pink 174, so let's see what that looks like compared to that one. Because I have a lot of rust tone stuff, and I need more pink tone. That is pink. Ah, it's that peach color again. Look at the difference. That is not pink. Matter of fact, let's put that in between. It's not even remotely pink. But at least it's 3 different colors. So let's try it. Because I'm wearing those rosy, peachy tones that have the orangey undertone, which I hope this is not too beige either. What is this called again? Endless Pink 174. Let's see how it does. I feel like it's going to be too nude. It is. Look, you almost can't see my lips at all. It's got an orangey undertone. Y'all, that is not pink. What is with the makeup industry right now? Plums are supposed to be purplish. I know a real plum has a peach undertone, but come on. Plum has always meant purple. Look how nudie that is. See, the bad thing about that is it washes me out. It does. And people are like, well, it's just a no makeup look. It's like, I don't put on makeup to look like I don't have it on. I know some people do it just to... Alright, so 2 coats. One thing is very sheer. It's still not pink at all. Not at all. I feel like it's like the eyeshadow, y'all, though. It does go. It goes perfectly, so I guess I'm glad I got it. So that when I wear this look how many coats I'm having to put on. It's too sheer. It's not dark enough. Okay, well. It is what it is. What do y'all think? It does go with the eyeshadow. The Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow. And here's the thing. I'm even using that palette, but look. They definitely go. Which goes with this fingernail polish that I've got on. Which is all this rose gold that's more warm. I guess the gold is what warms up the rose. But I don't know. It's too orange. And it says it's pink. Maybe to y'all it looks pink. To me it looks very orangey. Now the good thing about this product is, I was talking about the mask, once you put on this gloss, first of all, it makes it glossy. Like you have a lip gloss. But guess what else it does? First of all, it highlights the Cupid's bow. See how it's a little shinier now? And it moisturizes it. So, you know, because when you put on an all-day product, it does feel like it dries it out. That's how they work. They dry down and they stay dried down. But if you put a petroleum product on top, it typically makes it where it just moves all around. It won't stay on. With Chanel, once you put this on, it sets it. And it moisturizes. And it makes it glossy looking. So the more I look at this, the more I feel like those go together. So this is a perfect palette match. Again, that's 174. Endless Pink. Not even close to pink, if you ask me. Now, this is Shocking Pink. That is going to be for when I wear my flamingo pinks. You know, when I wear my bright, almost like neon blues and neon greens and neon pinks. You want something that will go with that. This will look awful with that. So you do want something that will go with that. It's just you're going to have to apply this with a very light hand, or you're going to look like you've been eating your popsicle too long or something. So anyway, so that is my lip product for the day. And then there is one other item that I got. Let me see if I've got time to show you that, or if I should do it in another video. Do I have time? I do. Just a moment. And that's all this will take. I decided to try a new hairspray made by Time, T-Y-M-E. And it's called Selfie Me. Selfie? Selfie Time. Selfie Time, get it? Selfies. Time. Get it? So the product is Time. Their hairspray, this is a full hairspray. Now let me tell you what it says it does. You can expect to have weightless hold. Translation, your hair will hold in style and still have lasting volume because it's not weighted down by hairspray. You can expect to have hold memory that lasts a long time. Translation, memory resins are a real thing. So style your hair exactly how you want to and spray it. After spraying, you can touch your hair and go through it throughout the day knowing that your hair will return to its original look. You can expect this hairspray to hold body for entire styles. Translation, you will have soft hair that looks amazing, holds the style longer, and it's still brushable. Now I can tell you all that is true. Style your hair into place, then spray Selfie Time. Now wait for a minute. When hair sprays out, it transitions from wet to dry. The longer you give it to dry in place, the better it will remember where you want it to stay. Make sure you have it styled where you want it. Spray, let it dry, and have confidence it will go back into place at all times throughout the day. Let me tell you what the translation is. This is a hard-holding hairspray, but it doesn't feel crinky. But y'all, it's done. It ain't moving. So I like it. I highly recommend it. It also has a real pretty smell. If you don't like smells, you might have to get used to it, but I like it. Anyway, I'll talk to you again soon. I love you guys so much. Talk to you